So we got the big kitty here, my 800 Crossfire with quite a few modifications. I just wanted to do a little POWERBLOC clutch review onto it. This sled I used to get about 1,500 kilometers out of a factory $1,200–1,300 clutch primary. I bought this POWERBLOC 80 5 or 6 years ago now, and I think I put 3,000 miles onto it since I bought that clutch. I've had no issues whatsoever. Makes the machine way faster. The engagement point is a bit lower, and I even took some weights out and modified the engagement point, so it grabs around 35, and I've got it set to, I believe, 85 on the top end. Just because the mods I can rev a little bit higher. Everybody says 82, but the way I got this set up, it makes power to 85, no trouble. So yeah, if you don't like your Arctic Cat clutch, throw that in the garbage and buy a POWERBLOC, and you'll never complain again. That's my opinion.